Frederick Tower, helicopter 910, Papa Sierra, holding short. Arrival in 12 for hover maneuvers.
910 Papa Sierra, hover maneuvers approved on runway 12 west of taxiway Foxtrot, and advise when complete.
West of taxiway, advise when complete, 910 Papa Sierra.
Airport Foxtrot, air taxi to the ground.
Alright, in sight.
269er, back to the ramp.
Eyes are forward.
Alright, Ford Alpha Golf, back to the ramp.
That was perfect. I did bounce a little gently, but it wasn't bad, so I didn't just drop the cyclic. Collective, rather. Didn't drop the collective. That's 406, 2 more. Warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 plenty of fuel, carburetor to the yellow, needle synced. Oh, all circuit breakers ran. Lifting off. And Frederick Tower, Tampico 28199er.
28199er, Frederick Tower.
Yes sir, holding short Alpha, we're ready to depart.
28199er, roger, hold short, runway 23 at Bravo.
We will hold short of 23 at Bravo 199er. Tower 00, midfield now.
53010, one departure prior to your arrival, runway 23, clear for the option.
1 departure, 5300. 18, nice.
269er, hold
slow
short
movements.
of Alpha contact ground.
Short of Alpha contact ground, T69.
We get 28199, runway heading departure, approved 23 at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
Roger, clear for takeoff. I guess it's actually harder with no wind. A little aft, a little more aft, and there it goes. Up we go. Tail is clear right. Good thing I wore performance fabrics. It is hot. Supposed to be in the 80s today. Eyes are forward. Coming in, good. Eyes are forward. Coming in, good. Eyes are still forward. I can see the landing site out of my peripheral vision. Very soft set down, right on target. That was the best yet. Warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 plenty of fuel, carpet out of the yellow. Needle synced. Getting up to a little bit more of my ball of my foot on my barefoot shoes and lifting off. Drop below 1.2 hours. Still above 0.8 hours, plus ample reserve. Alright, this is the last one. Nice and gentle. And we'll do pirouettes with no wind. Coming up on 18 inches.
Dock 163, Mike Echoes, holding short of Bravo, ready for departure.
All movements. Oh, I feel a beautiful breeze coming through. There we go, nose forward, nose to the right, right, there we go.
163, Mike.
There it comes.
23 at Bravo, cleared for takeoff. Westbounders approved.
23 at Bravo, clear for takeoff, and westbound approved with the city, Mike Echo.
Remaining west of Alpha at all times, option use caution, report right midfield downwind.
Nice and soft. Perfect, dead on. Little buffeting, I got a car in my peripheral vision behind me. That was number 6, pirouette time. Warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 plenty of fuel for more than 0.8. Needles synced and carpet out of the yellow, lifting off. like a rescue or state trooper, okay. We have a state trooper in front of us. 19 inches, eyes forward. Won't be distracted by the shiny objects. There goes the nose, and up we go. So it did rotate or turn a little bit, but didn't lift off. I just arrested that and gave it a little bit more collective, and up we came.